What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here, and today we're going to take a look at a home security tech product, the Soliom security camera. This is an outdoor camera. It is solar powered. It is weatherproof, 4G powered as well, so you can stick a SIM card in there and it will connect to a cell network, and then you can connect to your phone and view it and control it remotely. It goes a full 360 degrees rotation, so you can rotate it in any direction. It has night vision, it has a floodlight, and it has AI human detection. It has, if you pay a bit, you can get cloud storage as well, so that it stores things in the cloud, or you can save it remotely onto your phone. It is a super featureful product. Before we get started, if you're watching this video, chances are you're not subscribed, because 99% of you are not subscribed, and that's a pretty bad number. So if you like this one, be sure to click on that sub or thanks button below. So onto the video itself. Let's go ahead and click play. So here is the package itself. Let's go ahead and adjust the camera a bit. Yeah, there we go. Now let's go ahead and open this up. Let's open up let's bring out our handy dandy knife here, and we'll go ahead and cut this open, and we will see what we got. Alright, so we have some packing material in here. Paper, very eco-friendly, nice. And we can kind of see the package already. Let's go ahead and pull it out. We have the Soliom logo there. And there it is, pan tilt security camera, wireless, solar, battery powered. It does have a battery built into it, so even when it's nighttime, it still can continue recording with night vision. It's a very cool product. And the battery is actually built into the solar panel itself and connects to the camera. The camera itself is very lightweight. And that battery pack just snaps right on top of it here. And you can see it's 4G cellular LTE and supports 2880 by 1620 HD video. That is just wild on a security camera, as well as the 10 times optical zoom. Most of the time with these security cameras, you have digital zoom. This is 10 times optical zoom, which means it's going to look really clear when you zoom in. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what the inside's like. Very well packaged. We have some mounting stickers here and the user manual. Lots of handy information there. I definitely recommend that, but we'll go through some of the setup as well. Here is a quick guide for that as well. Shows you where to put the SIM card and how to get everything set up on your phone, where the power button is, how to tell if it's on, stuff like that. And here's the actual solar panel itself. Very high quality, strong solar panel with a battery in the back that charges from that. And let's continue digging in here. Again, it's very well packaged. Everything was made specifically for these specific size products. And here's a 300 megabyte trial, so you can use this card while you're testing. You can also resubscribe to this card, but I personally would just recommend finding a local cell network and picking up one of their device plans and just getting an unlimited device plan and using it with that. We have some mounting materials here. They include all the tools we're going to need to mount the product itself. And then here is the camera. It has two antennas on top. Let's peel this off here. Very nice, sleek looking camera. You can see it even has a few different mounting options up here for that solar panel. And we have speakers in the back because it has two-way audio. We have a SIM card and an SD card slot there, so that we can store locally on the device as well as in the cloud. And here we have a charging cable for it, so you can charge it beforehand in case, you know, there isn't any sun out and you want to get it tested indoors. Let's go ahead and set the packing materials aside, and let's see what this looks like put together. So we're going to go ahead and plug this in here, and you can see that it's a pretty compact unit despite having a very large solar panel on it. You can mount it pretty much anywhere. These are 4G, so you can even have it like as a game camera in the middle of a forest if you wanted to. As long as there's cell coverage out there, you'll be able to check up on this camera. If you have a large backyard or anything like that, it would be great for a backyard. But yeah, I think this is a really cool product. So we can see the profile here, the front and side profiles. Great looking camera, honestly. The antennas do go in a full 360 degrees of motion. You can put them down or up or whatever direction you get the best reception in. And now we're going to talk about how to actually get this set up on your phone. So you're going to want to download the Soliom app, and you're going to have to register for an account. So you're going to go ahead and put your email there, contact@MikeTheTech.com if you want to get in touch. And then you're going to have to agree to the user agreement and privacy policy, click continue, and enter a password as well as the code, and then hit register. Once you do that, you'll get a confirmation email. You'll need to go to your email and click on the link to confirm your email address, and then it will take you back to the app to actually continue with the setup process. So you're going to want to log in, and you can see that you can add a device up top, choose your device list on the bottom left, check your cloud video storage in the center, contact customer service, or view your personal settings. You can also add locations, so you can have cameras, say, at work and at home, or whatever you happen to have. If you own a business, if you own multiple homes, if you are a real estate agent, or you manage multiple properties, maybe you have cameras at different places. And this is one thing I was not able to get it working on Wi-Fi. You do need to use 4G on this device. It will not connect to Wi-Fi as far as I know, but if it can, then that's news to me, and it's pretty cool. But this is primarily a 4G camera, so I set it up with the 4G card that was sent. To pair the device, you'll have to scan a QR code, which is on the device itself.
Insert the SIM card, install the camera, install the
and then you'll want to click allow and actually show the camera that code.
Enter the camera name and address. Using default
Once you've
name
done so,
and
you can
address,
choose where the device is located and press finish.
Fully charge the camera at first
and the
use.
camera will show up. At first, it might be upside down, but that's because of the way that I had it just kind of sitting in my room. I hadn't mounted it yet. I was just doing the installation itself. And you can see there, you can adjust the brightness, the volume. You can speak and have two-way audio. You can rotate it and do a bunch of cool stuff. I'll show you some examples of that. Especially the zoom. So yeah, it's upside down right now, but take a look at this zoom. When I actually go into that product in the back, this is real optical zoom, not digital zoom or anything. So as we get closer, it's going to find focus, and it's going to get a high quality picture of that object, which is really, really important in security cameras. And having that zoom available that isn't digital is a really positive thing in this case. In any kind of security product, you want real optical zoom, not digital zoom. So I was really surprised to see that, along with 2880 by 1620 as the recording size. Very, very high resolution for a security camera. Also great to see. And yeah, it has full 360 degree movement. You can adjust focus, you can set presets, and it's just a really, really cool camera. This isn't full quality. This is just one I kind of copied from my phone, but it's I think it's great. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you have a good one. Peace.
From conversations to games to interviews with a broader view. He keeps it fresh, always brings something new. It's MikeTheTech, 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 the architect. MikeTheTech, MikeTheTech, yeah. MikeTheTech, the architect.